Guys, so welcome back to Strawberries. Today I'm going to be showing you my Roblox evolution or evolve. Yeah, so this is when I joined. It's kind of basic, basically the bacon. Next is when I found out that you can edit your avatar, and this is what it looked like when I found out. It was kind of weird. This was when I got Robux for the very first time, and I was very excited, so I got these. This was when me and my bestie wanted to do a trend, the newbie trend. Shout out to my bestie, aka Ishel. This was when I wanted to copy my friend, and then she accidentally unfriended me. So yeah, I wanted to be like a copy and paste and try to be like cool. So I bought these, and I know it's very cringy. Next was this, which is low-key cute. I got this. Oh, I got this because like I used to have a YouTube channel, but it got banned. Apparently, I was being racist. Like, I support Black Lives Matter, and I'm even black myself. Anyway, well, I'm not black, but I'm light skinned. Anyway, this was when I had a best friend that I keep calling Strawberry. And shout out to Strawberry as well. So, yeah, she called me Peach. And yeah. Next one is this. I don't know what I did with this. I legit mixed it up, and I went to Aesthetic, a clothing store. Next was this. I wanted to support Black Lives Matter, so I made my skin brown and I made my hair black. This one again, but like a different shirt, and I added, what is that? Oh, that like the ink. Yeah, I added the ink. Oh my god. Next one was this. Yeah. This, I just changed the pants and I thought it was cool. I thought I was a copy and paste. Next one is this. It looks weird. Moving on. Next one was this. I really like it because it has Japanese writing, as you can see right there. And yeah, I really like it. Next one we have this. I don't remember buying this, but yeah, I probably bought this when I was 9 because I thought it was cool and low-key cute. Next one is this one. I just changed the top yeah, this one, I just changed the pants. What is wrong with me? I just changed the pants. And I look weird. Next one was this. Yeah, next one was this, which is me now. And yeah, I have some outfits that are still the same character. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, my strawberries.